Hurry up. Okay, one more round. Woo! God. Whoops. Ngayon, matututo ako mag-manual gamit yung Trident. Paano yun on?
So, turn on the ignition switch, no? So, it will initialize. And then to start, you need to press the clutch. And then you start. So, this one, you need to press the clutch. Part of the safety feature of the Trident. Now, also here, let's say your kickstand is still down. Okay? Pag nilagay mo sa gear, yan, it will turn off because part ng safety feature din. May side stand sensor yan.
Okay.
Kasi bawal na tumatakbo na nakaka-side stand. Delikado. So, yan ang part ng mga safety features ng Trident natin. And lahat ng Triumph, ganun.
Paano i-start?
So, clutch.
Clutch.
Start here. Yan. Up yung stand.
Paano ulit to?
One down.
One down.
Indicate, makita mo the gear here.
Ayun, wow. Okay.
Tapos ano yan para sa'yo?
Okay. Tapos bitaw lang.
Slowly release na rin.
Lalo yung gas mo, gas mas malakas na to kaysa.
Okay.
And then control yung gas dito po. Control lang.
Okay.
Then slowly. Kahit hindi ka mag-gas, bibitawan mo, tatakbo yan. Kahit hindi ka mag-gas, try mo lang, hindi mag-gas.
Okay.
Nasakay ako sa ring.
Ah. Oh shit. Oh my god. Woo! Scary. Oh my god. Ang bilis, ang saya. I believe this has 660cc.
Our showroom is along Ortigas Avenue. Triumph Motorcycles Philippines.
Let's go fast! Third gear, baby! Woo! Lord bless me. I'm so scared right now. This is the fastest motor I have ever driven in my entire life. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. No, you have to be confident.
Visit our showroom and see why we are the fastest rising motorcycle company in the Philippines.
Gear 2. I am a fast learner. This is actually my third lesson or fourth. I lost count. Because once you reach, oh my gosh, second, okay, this is too scary. First gear. Wow, this is way better than the Renegade. Now I understand why people love this car. First gear. Oh shit, oh shit. Wow, this is fun. I'm now getting used to it. If you guys want lessons, just send me a message on my Facebook page. My business Facebook page. Woo, that was fun. I need a break. Okay, one more round. The brakes are strong. This is the beginner's bike for Triumph, I believe. Oh shit! Oh my god! Whoops! Na third gear ko. Tapos, press. Sorry kuya. Well, That was the first one. Oh my god. Move it, kid. Hurry up! How do you horn? There you go. This is a fun motorcycle. I love this Triumph motorcycle. Focus. My hands are tired. Do I look good or what? I love this. I'm starting to fall in love with motor. It's scary, but the thrill is good. YOLO. Mahilig na! What a fun experience. I'm at first gear and now we're gonna stop. I am tired. Wow! Namatayan ako once lang. Paano yung off? Hindi ako marunong. Ito? Okay. Good. Nakapagod sa kamay.
Hello.
Paano ibaba?
Ah? Xavier.
Ayan.
Eh, Sir Wayne.
Bakit mabenta ang Trident? But ito ba yung pinakamabenta
Yes.
sa Triumph?
Yes.
Bakit siya yung pinakamabenta?
Well, first of all, it's Triumph, British premium brand. And then, price natin is soft na soft for the Philippine market. Globally, mabenta talaga.
Nice. Okay. First big bike ko pala yan.
Yes, that's your first big bike.
Alam ko na kung ba't mabenta. Ang ganda talaga. Once lang ako namatayan.